engine.
It's absolutely fantastic.
Donation to enter.
Running, which I've never done before, but
free.
even more amazing to be driving it. Wow.
Look at this.
You have to concentrate. I keep getting it wrong. I have to close the steam off.
They said it come from Carl Brookdale, I think they said.
To let the piston
Did they
go
say it
up
come
the
from Carl
cylinder.
Brookdale?
And I have to do those things at the right time. Otherwise, she'll grind
This
my
thing,
hole.
it's huge.
Oh dear. That was my fault.
Ah, an entrance through there as
In
well
my
to
view,
the museum, look.
This, the Newcomen engine, was the greatest step forward ever in the whole history of technology.
To come through that
Because
way.
this gave people portable power for the first time ever. From this engine came all the engines that followed and all the ones we have today. And this was it. Thomas Newcomen, ironmonger from Dartmouth,
Ah, look.
who started the Industrial Revolution.
You can make the engine work.
I got
Pay
my
£1.
timing all wrong and got a warm shower. Well, I needed to
Pay
wash my
£1
hair
a year
anyway.
to watch it working.
There.
That's
There are
cool.
some hazards.
So where's the
in
power
this
slot?
18th century
This way it
technology.
says. Says that way
Now I
round.
understand why Michael wears a cap.
Ah, it's round there. Can watch the engine working for £1. Oh, it's not working today.
These magnificent machines are
Look, there
100
is.
times less efficient
This
than
is
a
the
hot
oldest
engine
one in the
and
world.
cost
It's
a fortune
advertised
to
as.
run. And yet they unleash Britain's industrial age. I really hope that this film goes some way to redress the balance and put Thomas Newcomen
Lots of
and his
information.
wonderful machine back into the history books where they belong.
A museum that's free. Definitely worth donating though to keep it running. The Black Country Museum, I remember that one. I've seen that one work in the Black Country Museum one. Dudley, Staffordshire in 1712.
Bridge in the Midlands. And lots of people think that the Industrial
The same one as Black Country Museum. But this is the oldest one.
200 miles south of here, in a little town by the seaside.
We are, but the seaside Dartmouth is.
No, Colbrook then.
Oh no. It says it's moved to one.
This is steam power, which drove Britain to its golden age. This loco is taking me to the birthplace of one of the greatest inventors of all time, but a man who, sadly, is almost totally overlooked. More than 300 years ago, he gave us the earliest workable version of this. Not exactly a steam engine,
Yeah.
but a machine whose principles and underlying mechanism laid the foundations for the explosion in steam power. He lived right there in Dartmouth, and his name was Thomas Newcomen. Portable power.
Lots of information, isn't there?
And this is it, an original Newcomen engine. This was the greatest
Do you
invention
know
of
the
all
first
time.
successful steam engine was invented here in Dartmouth?
But what it was for was here, because down there was a coal mine. We have to imagine it now. A coal mine full of miners, coal and water seeping in. And the water prevented them from digging up the coal. So this great thing here,
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's going to pump water out of the mine. Now the pump rods are very heavy. They pull down that huge heavy beam overhead. And to get the water being pumped out, we have to make that go up. That means making the other end go down. And to show you how they did it, come down here. Let's have some power. Unfortunately, it works on electricity now, not on steam. On the piston forces it downwards, pulling down that great beam, pulling up the other end, and lifting the pump rods and lifting the water out of the mine. That's how it works. And then again.